Hey guys, Kim Nonstop here. It's summertime and I hate eating breakfast. But in the summertime especially, I wake up and I'm like hot and I'm sticky and I'm like, ugh. I just want to drink coffee, and if it was up to me, I would literally just drink coffee and then go to my workouts and die because I didn't eat anything. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to make 2 smoothies. These smoothies are literally gonna take you less than 2 minutes to make. They are full of fat-burning foods, things that rev your metabolism, fight off cancer, give you vitamins and minerals, oh, and improve your immune system. I even sneak a little caffeine in mine so I can wake up in the morning. They're perfect breakfast for summertime because they're cold and you don't have to feel like you just ate something really heavy. We need all the help we can get. It is hot. So you guys are getting the Kim Nonstop breakfast tutorial. And the first one I'm gonna start off with is a green tea, avocado and ginger smoothie. Some of you guys out there I know are like, oh gross, oh gag, bleh. Rule number 1 in my kitchen, don't knock it till you try it. Starting off with green tea. This is iced green tea because who wants to put hot green tea in their smoothie, especially in the summer. Dump that in there. And then I'm going to scoop out a little avocado, drop that in there, yum, for calories, for vitamins. So the next one is ginger. And when you're shopping in the grocery store, you don't know what ginger looks like. It's the thing that looks like an alien chop off arm. And then I'm going to just grate a little bit of it. This is fresh ginger, really good for your immune system. Banana. Banana, banana, banana. Potassium, pre-workout, so good for you. Also, it's sweet and it's gonna add a little density to your smoothie. And a little touch of honey. Another trick, if you like to keep it a little bit thicker, is to freeze your bananas. So you can use frozen bananas in your smoothie. And now you have yourself a delicious green tea, avocado, ginger, banana smoothie. Ew, look at that green thing. Ew, it's got chunks in it. Ew, whatever. But I'm telling you, try it. Your body's gonna thank you. It's gonna taste good and it's gonna be refreshing. Oh my God, that is actually really, 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 really good. So for the second smoothie, it's gonna be like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It is so good. And I sneak a little bit of coffee in there because I love coffee. That is optional. You can also substitute this for soy milk if you want to. So what you're gonna start off with is the liquid if you're using soy milk or coffee, or you can use coconut water. I've done that before too, for anyone who is not into milk. And then we use berries, frozen berries. Yum, yum, yum. Frozen because then it makes it nice and smoothie-like. And the next ingredient is nut butter. This is almond butter, nothing added. You can use peanut butter if you want. Just try to go for the pure stuff, nothing added to it. There's no molasses, there's no like corn syrup or whatever else they throw in some peanut butter. A little pinch of cinnamon. The cinnamon is good for aiding in fat burning and raising metabolism. And then protein powder, because having protein in the morning, really good for making you feel full, satiated. You're not gonna get as hungry later on. Plus, it's gonna help with any kind of workout you're doing, especially resistance training. So this is just some chocolate whey protein. That's all that is, a little scoop of that. Then I'm gonna put in a little bit of ice, just to make it extra smoothie-like. And then I'm gonna blend it all together. Okay, that's enough. Let's eat it. So good, tastes like a chocolate peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So there you have it, guys. 2 smoothies you can make in 2 minutes or less. They are chock full of antioxidants, vitamins, protein, immune supporter, caffeine if you want it. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. We have a new animal in the house. This is Bella. Say bye, Bella. Do the blender dance. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Do I have something on my face?